Harvey hit on August 25th, immediately 98.5 KLUC went into action, and we knew we had to help our friends down in South Texas. So we went ahead and partnered with Zappos for Good, Lyft, and the Salvation Army to get them supplies.
In addition to all of the items that we're going to be loading up into those trucks and taking down for hurricane relief, what's Zappos going to do, Spence?
Everything you bring down. For instance, this box of diapers, they're going to donate $1 up to $100,000.
Chet Buchanan of the Morning Zoo broadcasted live for 3 straight days, partnering with Zappos for Good, collecting things like ramen noodles and cereal and oatmeal and the things these people in South Texas need.